guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a fluffy Flexirod pony. This is good for transitioning. You don't want to do your hair. Just this style is so easy and so cute. So I'll be using the Mousse Stuff Mousse. It's pretty moisturizing and it smells really good. That's all I'll be using for this style to set my hair. This is my very first time using Flexirods on my actual hair. I usually use it on my braids. And for my edges, I'll be using the Got2b gel to set my edges. Per usual, this video is pretty self-explanatory. I hope you find it helpful. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. And sleek it with two. I'll be right back. I put one under my camera cuff, so I basically am just taking a medium size amount of hair, like this much. Adding one pump. I'm gonna add like 1.5 pumps for this section because it's a little bit thicker. Hair. Brush in the product. Be careful not to rip your ends. We don't need that in our protective style. Last. And you guys, just in case you don't know, this is my literal first time putting Flexirods on my hair, like to stretch it like this. I use these for my weave, like in my braids. I never used it for my actual natural hair. So I watched a few videos and we're gonna see. I want this pony to be elongated as possible, so I'm gonna go downward like that. And I also want it to be fluffy, so I'm just gonna keep taking out medium sections like so, and adding the mousse. I'm gonna have, oh gosh, it smells really good, guys. We haven't used it before. I can probably try it on a braid out. I've been leaving my hair stretched lately. Like I have not worn a wash and go in quite some time. Ever since I had baby, I haven't really had time to be wearing a wash and go. So yeah. So again, we want this elongated, so I'm gonna put it on my ends, tuck that in, and point it upward, and roll upward. Boom, boom, boom. make noise and you end up making a lot of noise. That's what's happening right now. My baby is literally asleep. And yeah, I don't really have time for him to be waking up because I have to get my hair done. It literally like is attached to me right now. He just turned 1. You guys don't know I had a baby. So recently. And grab the ends, tuck it, boom, and go upward. I'm so glad this is in a ponytail because if this doesn't come out right, girl, I don't got time to be doing this over. Like, I need to just look presentable, okay? I have stuff to do. One more section. It's pretty easy to apply them too. If you've never used Flexirod, it's not that hard to put on your hair. And I'm going to be sitting under the hooded dryer, I guess. I'm gonna let it air dry for a little while, and then I'm going to sit under the dryer or blow dry it because I'm not about to let this dry and fail. It's daytime. Okay, I need to get this done within I can't see anything. I feel okay, so the bottom fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Flexirods. Okay. We're just gonna set these edges and tie my hair down.